I found a way to cut off all those thoughts in your head when you're about to sleep at night. This is the Tranquility Sound Machine. It's available on Amazon for $84. Like any good product, the key is in its features. It is powered by Type-C USB, has a 3.5mm slot to connect to your earphones. It has 8 sound modes with super smooth sliders to control its intensity with pretty good quality sound speaker. You have the timer 30, 60 and 90 minutes and a volume bar. It also works as a Bluetooth speaker once you pair it with your device. The thing I like the most about this product is how intuitive it is. You don't need these manuals. The design though might need a little bit of work. This product is supposed to make your mind calm. The amount of texture and roughness this has is way too much in my opinion. Oh, and by the way, if you are interested in these kind of product reviews, consider subscribing. I post every week. Since it is a speaker, we have to do a sound test. Let's start with my favorites, moving to the wacky ones. My number one is the Campfire Sound. Next is the rain, then the thunder, followed by the sound of water. There's also birds, cricket, and finally, animals. And yeah, it does have birds, dogs, You can also make your own mix based on your preferences. My favorite is the fire with water sound. And I usually set the timer to 30 minutes. As the timer approaches the end, the volume gradually reduces to 0 and it auto shuts off. I've been using this product every night for a month now, and trust me, it works. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. I'm Anubhav and this is Rebrid.